Welcome back to AZ Classic Cars Cheap, the world of classic Prostreet cars. Here, timeless American muscle cars are rebuilt with massive horsepower, aggressive looks, and street-ready performance. From barn finds to fully modified monsters, we cover machines that refuse to stay standard. Subscribe and ride with us. 1. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $40,000. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Evansville, Indiana. Step into the legend of American muscle with a 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, a metallic blue beast upgraded for performance and style. Sporting a sleek cowl hood, rear spoiler, and the iconic Problem Child badging, the exterior shines with metallic blue paint and dark gray racing stripes, enhanced with modern headlights, chrome bumpers, and rear window louvers. Staggered torque thrust, 2 wheels, traction bars, and power-assisted front disc brakes make this classic as functional as it is striking. Under the hood roars a 355 Ci V8 built on a 1969 block with a 4-bolt main, decked and featuring a 292 camshaft setup designed for aggressive performance. 2. 1969 Chevy Camaro. Price, $27,500. Location, Castellian Springs, Tennessee. Experience raw American muscle with a 1969 Chevy Camaro, a fully built drag machine ready to tear up the track. Powered by a 468 Ci steelhead big block Chevy, it features a Power Glide transmission with Pro Brake, a 9-inch Ford rear end, and a 4.88 ladder bar chassis. Stopping power comes from disc brakes on all 4 corners, while big tires and a Kirky racing seat with camlock seat belts ensure control and safety at high speeds. Race-ready electronics include a KNR wiring kit, Pro Cube delay box, new roll bar switch panel, aluminum dash, and modern gauges, all paired with a new swing outdoor bar. The car rockets down the strip on pump gas, running a 6.80 second-eighth mile. With its combination of brute strength, precision handling, and professional track setup, this Camaro isn't just a classic, it's a track-ready powerhouse built for adrenaline. 3. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Buxton, Maine. Unleash pure horsepower with a 1968 Pontiac Firebird, a turnkey racing beast ready for the strip. Featuring an all-steel, all-glass body in excellent condition, the car's back half is mini-tubbed with a 4-link suspension and reinforced with an 8.50 certified steel cage. Under the hood roars a built 427 Ci V8 rumored to produce between 600 and 700 horsepower, paired with a TH400 transmission with trans brake and a shortened Dana 60 rear end. A massive 1,250 CFM carburetor feeds the engine, while disc brakes on all 4 corners and manual steering keep control firmly in the driver's hands. Racers will appreciate the attention to detail. New gauges, an updated switch panel, and a full exhaust system with mufflers. This Firebird isn't just a classic. It's a purpose-built drag monster ready to dominate next season with power, precision, and pure American muscle. 4. Custom Prostreet Supercharged Corvette. Price, $29,750. Location, Fredericksburg, Virginia. Prepare to dominate the streets with this jaw-dropping red Corvette, fully loaded with a supercharged engine that thrusts proudly through the hood. Gleaming side exhaust pipes announce your presence, while racing seats and a built-in roll bar deliver both safety and style. Fat Mickey Thompson rear tires promise insane grip and acceleration, making every launch a thrill. Every angle of this Corvette screams performance and showmanship. From its aggressive stance to the chrome accents, this machine isn't just a car, it's a statement. Whether tearing up the drag strip or cruising the boulevard, expect to turn heads and leave an unforgettable impression wherever it roams. 5. 1967 Plymouth Barracuda. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Beaufort, Georgia. Built for the thrill seeker and drag racing enthusiast, This 1967 Plymouth Barracuda gasser roller comes ready for your choice of drivetrain. Set up for a small block Chevy with a Ron Pope front steer axle, it is easily adaptable to Mopar power if desired. Weighing just 2,750 pounds with engine and 4-speed transmission, the car features a full roll cage, swing-out door bar, window net, and a fresh 5-point harness. Ladder bar suspension with a Ford 9-inch rear end, strange 35 spline axles, and 29.5 by 10.5 Mickey Thompson tires ensure straight-line dominance with a proven track record on the Southeast Gasser circuit. Every detail emphasizes performance and safety, from the Holly Black fuel pump with fuel cool can to the 4-wheel disc brakes. The Paul Vanderpool paint job turns heads, while included custom SBC headers, engine mounts, and midplate make it nearly race-ready right out of the gate. Six, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $37,500. Mileage, 1,967 miles. Location, Springfield, Tennessee. A purpose-built drag machine, the 1967 Camaro SS Coupe commands attention both on the strip and in the garage. Weighing just 2,800 pounds, its all-metal body, save for a lightweight hood and Lexan windows, except the vents, keeps it razor-light and ready to launch. A precision ladder bar suspension keeps the power planted, while the drivetrain propels this beast to mid-6-second quarter-mile times with heart-pounding authority. Every inch of this Camaro was engineered for speed, yet it retains the iconic first-generation Camaro lines, painted in sleek silver with a black interior for that perfect racing contrast. The attention to detail is staggering. Lightweight components, a reinforced chassis, and optimized weight distribution make it a thrill to drive and a standout at any event. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or showing it off at a car meet, this Camaro blends raw performance with classic style. 7. 1987 Chevrolet S10 drag truck. Price, $11,000. Location, McDonald, Pennsylvania. Built to dominate the strip, the 1987 S10 drag truck is a full-on bracket machine with a 383-stroker heart, Dart Pro 1 heads, Dart polylocks, and Crane Gold rockers. Boasting a 12.5-to-1 compression ratio on an Eagle rotating assembly, this beast is paired with a Power Glide transmission featuring a 5,000 revolutions per minute stall converter and trans brake. The Ford 9-inch rear end with 5.14 gears and 31 spline axles keeps the raw power planted. A mild steel 10-point roll cage, belts, and a leaf spring setup with custom slapper bars make it safe, secure, and ready to conquer the quarter mile. Although the paint shows its age with chips and wear, the S10's performance is uncompromised, consistently running 6.85 to 6.90 seconds at 97 miles per hour, depending on the weather. Designed to accommodate almost any driver, this truck delivers adrenaline with every launch. 8. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Prostreet. Price, $35,000. Mileage, 61,000 miles. Location, Coleman, Alabama. A true Prostreet legend, The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle roars with a 388 CI small block Chevy built by Motor Masters, producing a smooth yet thrilling 530 horsepower on pump gas. Its 4340 crankshaft, 6-inch eagle rods, and maul pistons work in perfect harmony with the Comp Cam's hydraulic roller cam and lifters. While the Edelbrock intake and Holley carburetor deliver instant throttle response, controlled by a precise MSD ignition and sending exhaust through coated headers. This engine is paired with a Richmond 5-speed transmission and center force clutch, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and raw street power. Every detail of the car has been carefully upgraded for high performance. A back-half setup with a Ford 9-inch rear, TrueTrack Posey, and 4.11 gears is combined with ladder bars in front and rear QA1 coilovers to dominate the street. Stopping power is ensured by 4-wheel disc brakes, complemented by power steering and power brakes, while all original glass and steel, except for the hood, maintain that classic Chevelle look. An aluminum radiator, electric fan, working lights, radio, exhaust, and street tires make this machine as street-ready as it is jaw-dropping. 9. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro NH. Price, $22,500. Location, Athens, Pennsylvania. A powerhouse of classic muscle, the 1979 Camaro NH certified beast is powered by a jaw-dropping Andy Jensen, built 505 BBC, producing 800 horsepower. Equipped with a ZX plate delivering a 100 to 300 shot, a power glide transmission with Pro Brake, and a Vasco 180 straight cut gear set, this machine dominates the drag strip. The rear is anchored by a Ford 9-inch with 4.30 gears and 35 spline axles, complemented by a 15-gallon fuel cell for serious endurance. Originally from Arizona, this Camaro retains its street-ready charms with functioning lights, power windows, turn signals, and full gauges. 2 hoods allow for easy street legality, while the NH-certified chassis ensures it's track-ready, rolling off the trailer straight to race. 10. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $12,500. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, Windsor, Connecticut. A late 70s icon reborn for speed and style. The 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic roars with a 358 CI engine featuring a 650 double-pumper carburetor, a .530 lift cam, reworked truck heads, roller rockers, and an 11.5 to 1 compression ratio. Power flows through a turbo 350 automatic with B&M lockout reverse into a Grand National 8.5-inch Posey rear with 3.73 gears, delivering both thrilling acceleration and smooth control. Upgrades include new rear springs with dual pillow shocks, a completely rebuilt front end, a fresh gas tank, traction bars, and a custom rear speaker deck lid. With 50,000 miles and a clean title, this Malibu isn't just a classic. It's a precision-built cruiser ready to dominate the streets or light up the strip. Every detail reflects a thoughtful balance of raw power and street-ready polish, making it a standout in any collection. 11. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price, $60,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Sitka, South Carolina. A street-dominating beast, the 1968 Camaro RS Coupe comes powered by a monstrous 454 CI engine paired with an 8-71 supercharger and blow-through carb setup, delivering insane low-compression torque and raw acceleration that will light up any strip. Mated to a turbo 400 transmission and backed by a Dana 60 rear end with 5.13 Richmond gears. The car is built to handle serious power while remaining street drivable. Safety is dialed in with a roll cage, yet it retains factory RS seats for a touch of classic comfort. Finished in sleek black, this Camaro combines timeless muscle car styling with extreme performance engineering. Every detail, from the engine's monstrous blower to the race-ready drivetrain, screams adrenaline. Ideal for collectors craving a rare, street-legal powerhouse or racers seeking a turnkey ride that commands attention on both the road and the track. 12. 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T Coupe 2D. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Washington Courthouse, Ohio. An iconic street-legal race car, the 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T roars with a 340 Ci engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering classic Mopar power and crisp, precise shifts. Originally built for racing in the late 70s, its early history may be a mystery. However, the car's straight, aggressive stance, and full roll cage speak volumes about its performance-ready DNA. Adding rare collector appeal, Richard Petty himself signed the dash. Finished in a vibrant blue, this Challenger blends race-ready engineering with vintage muscle car style. With just 2 seats and all the essentials for a thrill seeker, it's perfect for turning heads at the strip or cruising with legendary Mopar flair. Tags, title, and insurance are all in place, ready for road or track duty. 13. 1966 Chevrolet Nova SS 118. Price, $75,000. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Falkville, Alabama. A true classic muscle car, the 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport 118 comes roaring with a 406 Ci small block Chevy paired with an auto gear 4-speed M22 rock crusher transmission, stronger than the original and built to handle serious power. Featuring 3.73 gears, a 12-bolt rear end with trick flow, aluminum differential cover, mini tubs, and 295 Mickey Thompson ET street drag radials. This Nova is engineered for straight-line domination. Every inch of this ride screams race-ready precision. Long-tube ceramic-coated headers, dual Holley fuel pumps, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, and a 3-inch X-pipe exhaust with Flowmaster Super 44 mufflers. The custom-built 400 small block motor with rare 5009 casting, combined with suspension upgrades such as Church Boys A-arms, frame kit, and competition engineering adjustable front shocks, makes this Nova track-capable yet street-friendly. 14. 1971 Pontiac Ventura. Price, $19,500. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Hampton, Connecticut. A powerhouse street instrument machine, the 1971 Pontiac Ventura roars with a rebuilt 455 Pontiac engine paired with a reliable turbo, 400 automatic transmission, and a stout 12-bolt rear end. Beadlock weld wheels wrapped in Hoosier tires front and rear provide insane grip, while a 1050 Dominator carburetor and a 10-gallon fuel cell make it a true track-ready beast. Performance upgrades include a precision B&M shifter, a freshly rebuilt top end, and fully functional signal lights for street legality. Every detail screams adrenaline, from the aggressive stance to the clean, glossy orange exterior that commands attention wherever it rolls. Built for enthusiasts who crave both speed and style, this Ventura is ready to conquer the drag strip and the street with confidence. 15. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $80,000. Mileage, 500 miles. Location, Marcy, New York. A jaw-dropping pro, touring 1967 Camaro built to dominate both street and strip. Powered by a 468 Ci big block running on pump gas and paired with a reliable turbo 400 automatic transmission with trans brake. The drivetrain has only 500 miles, ensuring fresh, modern muscle car performance. High-performance features include a Fab 9 rear end, digital dash with drag pack, billet specialties wheels, beadlock double wheels, and Willwood brakes on all 4 corners. The car's wide stance, aggressive tires, and attention-grabbing blue exterior make it a head-turner at every show or cruise. Stored in a heated facility and meticulously maintained, this Camaro perfectly blends raw, classic muscle with modern engineering for ultimate drivability and style.